Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is October the 12th and I am using my new Super Scalper trading system. This system uses two excellent scalping indicators. One of them is the Super Signal indicator, that's the one with the arrows. And the other one is the Super Scalper. This moving average that changes from blue to yellow. Now you will get an audio alert and a pop-up box like you see here. The one that says scalping is part of the Super Scalper, and then of course the other one, the other buy and sell alerts is with the arrows here. Now every morning at 6 o'clock I'm in front of the computer looking at all the different instruments, and of course I'm taking a look at my daily trade plan. Now we had some high impact Forex news about 25 minutes ago at 8:30 a.m. New York time, but prior to that there was some very clear signals whether we should be buying and or selling. So this is the daily trade plan, EA, running in real time, and with the news, markets started jumping around, and this is the result that you see on the daily trade plan. I'm sure within 30 minutes to an hour, this will straighten itself out and give you some more clear buy and sell signals. If you want to succeed at trading, well, you must have some kind of a daily trade plan. And after 19 years, this is the best daily trade plan I came across after testing out many daily trade plans. Now, if you have any questions or if you want to buy this daily trade plan, well, quite simple. All you got to do is get in contact with me. And I do prefer Skype. All of my contact information, whether it's picking up the phone and calling me or sending me an email or Skyping me, all that information is right below this video. I really love this Super Signal indicator as it really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. And as I mentioned earlier, it is also a great indicator if you wish to scalp the market, especially on the 5-minute time frame. So now we can get into some of these trades. First one is this dollar CAD. Let's see where I got in at. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow super signal, and of course the scalper is blue. Market did a bit of a pullback and then it went up. This one here just seems to be jumping up and down, but anyhow, I was happy when I closed out the trade, locking in about 6 pips, and those 6 pips paid $51. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Euro Aussie. Here we go at the far left side here. Wanted to be buying it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan, arrow from the super signal. The chart setups qualified for a great way to trade. So let's see where I got in at. Took the trade at this cursor, and of course this candle right here was the high impact news from the Forex. Let's see, ended up locking in about looks like 9 pips, and that ended up paying out $57. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the pound Aussie. Let's see where I got in. First of all, wanted to be buying it. There's from the daily trade plan, super signal, super scalper was blue. Well, easy decision to make was to buy. And I closed it out at this point being happy, looks like with 21 pips. And that ended up paying out $133. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Euro Yen. This one I sold it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Got a whole bunch of red arrows in here. Everything was looking good. Let's see now where I got in at. Right at this point, arrow, time to pull the trigger. And it finally dropped with the news, so I traded this before the news. And this locked in 21 pips, and that paid out $140. Okay, moving on to the next trade, the pound dollar. Now on this pound dollar, it pays $10 for each pip because of the USDs on the right hand side, pounds on the left side. Looking at the money, this should be 30 pips, so let's drag and drop this up. Took the trade here, had the arrow here. Market decided to do another cycle, not a big deal. News kicked in at 8, let's see this right there, that's 8:30. And I knew prior to the news it was going to drop. And what did I say? It should be about 30. There it is right there, 30 pips, and that paid out $300. Moving on to the next trade, which is crude oil. Crude oil pays the same as the pound dollar, $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 59. I bought it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan, the arrow from the super signal, and pulled the trigger right here at this cursor. Like I said, it should show, and it looks like the market's still going up, but it's 59. Did have it there for a second. There it is right there, 59 ticks, paying out $590. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, the DAX 30. DAX 30 pays $3.75 for each tick. And looks like it's still dropping. More than likely I would have made a lot more, but all I did was looked at the money and I knew it was going to be well over 200. With this DAX 30, it's going to be a lot more. So took the money, divided it by $3.75, and the calculator says it should be 425 ticks. So now I did drop it down to the 5 minutes so I can get a reading. Like I said, it'd be up a lot more if I stayed in the trade. What did I say? 425. 425. There it is right there. Got it right on, 425. And that ended up paying out $1,593. Just want to see what it's locking at this point. That's 786, so almost approaching the double mark. Now you know why I love doing futures, the indexes, and they just end up moving a lot more and paying a lot more. I think I'll call this video Holy Grail Trading System. Now, of course, I know there's no such thing as a magic indicator or a Holy Grail trading system, but this one here, as of today, well, as of this time period, it is the best system I have. Works fantastic, and that's why I'm thinking it is a Holy Grail trading system. At least it is for me. Once you learn how to trade with it, you will be calling it a great system also. Now I added up all the pips and the ticks, and another great day of trading, and I knew it was going to be well over 200. The grand total was 571 pips and ticks, and that paid out $2,867. So if you have any questions, or if you want to buy the system or the daily trade plan, all you got to do is get in contact with me. Now if you look right below the video, you'll get my contact information. You can email me, you can pick up the phone and call me, and I even left a link for my Skype. Even if you think you don't have Skype, you click with the mouse, and we'll have a Skype connection as long as you have a computer, and then we'll have a Skype connection, and at that point I will be able to answer your questions. Now if you look right below this video, you'll get a lot more information. You'll see that I have showing at least one special offer. I do have a grand total of 4 limited time special offers. If you want to know what the other 3 are, well, all you got to do is get in contact with me. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember, keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.